Galileo was an Italian scientist and he is considered to be the father of modern science. He is pretty much known for using the telescope and studying the universe. He is known to find out the other moons of Jupiter. He is also the one to point out that the earth revolves around the sun. And he is able to do that with this telescope. Now, say ever since the days of Galileo, we have advanced in the field of space to going to space. We have gone to space. We have landed on Moon. We have had a rover on Moon, and also on Mars. And also we are set to make civilization on Moon by 2035. Now, there's a huge problem in that. NASA has studied space biology for a long time, and we have a n number of data on space biology. And there are many various things in space biology like and cellular studies, and also we have studies on water mainly. That also is a part of space ecosystem, but there's a problem. The biggest problem is that this data is scattered. It's scattered all over the internet, and there's no collective place where you can come and study. So that's why we bring back Galileo's telescope and put the topic of space biology under that lens. I present to you Galileo's lens. This is a software where we can study the subject of space biology. And shall we get into it? The overview page. This is the page where you will get to you access all the sources of space biology by NASA. And suppose if I want to learn about mice, the AI will filter out the irrelevant topics to what I've chosen and will choose related topics. This is the knowledge graph actually. So I've chosen mice and I'll click over it and I'll get to see all the related research papers done to it. So if I want to study this particular research paper, then I'll get a paragraph about it. It talks about the selected topic basically. This is how, this is a knowledge graph that we have created for this page. Gaps. This is a unique thing that we have come up with just to show that the knowledge gaps that we have over the years. And it's not like it's pointing out the problem, it's providing a solution for it. It's not just problem oriented, it's also solution oriented. You can go through other topics as well in other research areas like over here. But this is just a general overview. Next up is forecasting. Forecasting, guys, is basically just simulating how your body would react in space by giving in basic details like your age, your height, your BMI, and what level of activity you're expected to go through, and everything, and also your gravitational level that in the particular planet that you're going to land in. Filling these basic details up gives you a lot of insight of what you can go through. Obviously, there is more things to add to this, but this is the most basic you can add, and all that. So these are the details, and here's a graph of how these things will play out. Moving on to the mission simulator stage, this is a stage where you can simulate your health on a mission. So, for example, if you are going to the moon, you can fill in the details that the table has provided, and you can get specific details and see how in risk you are to future problems when you are in the space for like a long duration of time. With space travel coming up, and with the moon base being ready by 2035, this tool can be really helpful in monitoring your health and also overseeing future problems that you might face going to space. Going to the AI chat box. The AI chat box is made for the space biology learning. It is specifically made for this, so chances of it giving misinformation is less. It will, because it's the only source of information is from the NASA database, which it will be provided access to. Or you can put in any prompt regarding anything, any related query you have to space biology, and it will answer to you. On the right, you have the area where it shows what all sources it used also, and it's not about it texts you back. It also speaks back to you. It also has audio. It's not just text, and also it shows you can choose whatever language you want. You can like Hindi, English, something like that. I've come to an end with my presentation. to finding out a problem that we have scattered information about space biology, and also we have
That sure.
a real platform to learn this very amazing topic. We have created a platform which teaches you about space biology, and also you can use this knowledge to enhance your life with space travel becoming a common thing in the near future. This platform will give you a very good ways to solve this problem. You can learn about yourself, you can know how your body will react in space also. Now, I, I want to give a heartfelt thank to Dayananda Sagar College, a Harohalli campus, and also NASA, which is conducting a very amazing event. I would like to thank my team, Vinayak, who's behind the camera, Harish, who has made this thing, made this very amazing website and app. I'd like to thank Paul, Yashaswini, and Sarj, who work day and night on the front end design. And also, I'd like to thank myself to, be a part of this very amazing group. And also, I would like to thank Horizon College Harohalli to providing trust in us, and also giving us transport and giving us that belief that we could go and on such a big event and showcase our abilities. Thank you.